Okay, so we are looking at conditional formatting here. Autosave's turned off. This workbook feature. That's fine, absolutely. So I can save that manually for this one. So I'm going to start over at colors, and we want to make this guy look like this one here. So we want to set conditional formatting. So in the colors worksheet, set conditional formatting. So the home tab styles group. So home tab here, styles group here, conditional formatting button. For the cells in column G, total sales. So in order to get that, we actually have to put a number in here. So I want you guys to figure out what function you are going to insert here to your total sales. Q, of course, stands for quarter. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 in total sales. Then we're going to highlight all these cells and have a red fill if they're total. Yeah. To have a red fill if they're below 175 and a green fill if they are 175 and above. Okay, so I've highlighted the cells. I'm going to go into conditional formatting, and we want to highlight cell rules, and we're going to need a couple new rules, right? We're going to say greater than, so format cells that are greater than 174, because it's not equal to, it's greater than. And we're going to fill those in with green. And then we're going to go here and we're going to go format. We're going to go less than, format cells that are below 175. You are doing the next two that are open. 51, 52? Okay, so that is how you do that one there. Okay, flags is the next guy over. So we want flags to come. We're going to do the exact same thing here where we need to add up our all of our quarters. So we have our total sales there. And then we are set conditional formatting for the values in columns C, D, E, F to show a red flag if the sales are below 20, a yellow flag if the sales are between 120 and 150, and a green flag if they're higher than 50. To do this, you go to the home screen, conditional formatting, icon sets, more rules. So we want to go format, icon sets, flags, and then make sure that it's set as a number and not a percent. Green flag is equal to or greater than 51. Yellow flag below 20. Okay, let's see if we can figure this one out without looking. Okay, so I'm highlighting all of the cells. Then I'm going to go formatting, icon sets, more rules, and we are going to go not as a percent, we're going to go as a number and as a number. And the icon sets that we want are going to be flags right there. Perfect. Okay. So icon green when. Dang. Okay, hang on a second. I told you I would lose it. Okay, I gotta get this up. Conditional formatting, icon sets, more rules. I'm gonna set this as a number, set this as a number, set this as a flag, and then icon set. So if it is less than equal to 51, and then yellow flag if it is there below 20, and then anything else is going to be a 0. So we're going to say okay, and then hopefully, yeah, it looks good. It's the exact same. Okay, so then we'll go on to data bars. So in the data bars worksheet, set conditional formatting for the values in column G. So once again, I'm going to do the function. Oops, Daisy. Function. There we go. Okay. So in the data bar, set conditional formatting for the values in column G. So just this guy here, to use a purple gradient data bar. doesn't tell me how. I'm going to have to figure this out. So I'm going to go in here. I see this one is called data bars, and it is a gradient, and that guy is purple. Boom. Easiest one yet. Okay, then we want to go in here, and same thing here. We're going to put all of this in. And so in the text highlighted worksheet, set conditional formatting to the values in B, the salesperson, to highlight the cells if they had with a yellow fill if the name contains Bob. So no instructions. So we're going to go conditional formatting, and we want to highlight cell text that contains, and we want it to be Bob, capital, just B-O-B, and we want it to be yellow with dark yellow. Boom. Easy. Clear formatting, so conditional formatting in the song title and artist column so that the cell highlights red if it contains any word with the letter Z in it. Please clear all the conditional formatting from this table. So highlight all the cells in the table. We're in our home tab. We're going to go to conditional formatting, and we're going to go clear rules from selected cells. Boom. There we go. And our last worksheet is step 1, enter in 4 new names of the sales data for each. So we're going to say Bob 1, Bob 2, Bob 3, Bob 4. And we're going to do 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, just because why not? There you go. Set conditional formatting for column G of the table above to format the cells in the order in the total column that contain the average values by filling in the green fill dark text column. Okay, so set conditional formatting for column G of the table above to format the cells in the order of total column that contain, I'm going to just change some of these because I think that I'm messing things up by being so funny here. I think that we need to get some, there we go, different numbers in. Okay, so format the cells in the order total column that contain above average values by applying the green fill of it. So select the column, home tab, styles group, conditional formatting, top bottom rules, above average, change colors to OK. Okay, let's see if we can do this. So we selected the column. We're going to go to our home tab, which we're in, styles group, which we're in, conditional formatting, which we're in. We want top bottom rules, and we want above average. There we go. And we want it to be dark green with green fill, and we want to say OK. There we go. And then down here it says set column G to round to 1 decimal. So we know that we can go this way, and that will give us 1 decimal place over rounded. And I'm going to save that and upload it.